Bula Vinaka, my name is Zara Khan. I am Fiji's Trade Commissioner to Australia and the Consul General based in Sydney. It's such an excellent opportunity for Fijian exporters to showcase our products to the rest of the world, and for Fiji to be flying our flag very proudly amongst these larger nations is such a great achievement for us. We have 6 exporters that have participated in this year's show, showcasing a wide range of products, and it's important for exporters from Fiji to participate at shows like this so that they can learn from the other exhibitors that are here, adopt new technology, improve their packaging, improve their labeling, as well as learn about new ideas and new product ranges that they can also research into and produce back home in Fiji.
Bula Vinaka, I'm Kartik Pratap from the Fiji High Commission, and we are here at the Fine Food Show 2018 in Melbourne. This is an excellent opportunity for our Fijian exporters.
My name is Jagdish Puja, and today, if you look at the manufacturing sector in Fiji, it's not a backyard operation at all. It's out there right in par with any international organization or in the world.
We're talking about exports in the millions of dollars, you know, tens of millions of dollars. That's the potential. So we need to be here. Just this morning, while I was cooking some taro and cassava, it stopped an importer, an Australian importer. The smells, of course, stopped him. He was looking for something else to import into Australia. This Australian importer thinks that we might have the answer.
My name's Callum and I'm here in Australia with Bula Batiki. Bula Batiki was started in 2015 to promote Fijian products from Batiki Island, and now we run as a fully Fijian-owned business which is run and owned by the community in Batiki.
So it's an opportunity for us to explore into other markets, and while in this fine food show we learn how things, some of our produce can be value adding.
Hi, I'm Grace from Bula Coffee. Bula Coffee is a social enterprise, so we have 32 villages in Fiji that we support. They grow coffee for us and we buy it off them, so we teach them how to pick it, how to harvest it, how to roast it, how to package it.
Bula, my name is Tomozu Koshi. I'm a co-founder of the Andy Chocolate Fijian Cacao, and we make chocolate growing in Fiji, and also we utilize the sugar from Fiji.
Today, I'm here in the Punja stand. We are promoting our biscuits and the wraps, as you can see, and also the coconut oil.
We learned from this show that the trends keep moving. If we keep looking at the trend, we're going to be blown away. So we keep our missions steady so that we go based on what we think is good and stick with, you know, our product as our identity.
There's so many cool businesses around, and it's really showing us different packaging, different distributing options, and just getting a different feel for how other people export, import.
The food show here in Melbourne, Australia, provides an opportunity for us to showcase our products from Fiji, and also gives us opportunity also to meet with the clients here that would like to buy Fiji products.
We must highlight the quality of the products we've got today. You know, we are in par with the world, and that's very important for people to know. And how can they know? You've got to be at the trade fair.
On behalf of Bula Coffee, I'd personally like to thank the Fijian government.
It's really, really nice to have their support and for them to believe in us as a small island and a small community, but giving us the opportunity to tell our story out to the wider world.
And we all help each other. It's just one family. So thank you very much. Vinaka.